Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a little installation on this 2003 Lexus RX 330. We're doing seat covers. I'm gonna show you why. So let's get to it. This is the cover that the customer get, but he told me that this is it's a really good quality, as you can tell, but he told me this is not specific for this vehicle. So we might have to do some modifications. These ones are from the company Coverado, and leather looks really good, but like I said, this is more like for all type of vehicles. And for this one probably we're gonna have to remove this armrest, so I can put them on, cut a little hole, and then put the armrest back. For the rear, I don't think they're gonna fit. Probably we're just gonna use the front ones. Why? Because the leather. Customer get this vehicle and he get it like that. So you can restore this, but instead of restoring and spending more money, we're just gonna put some covers so they don't look that bad, because this one is already bad. You need to repair all that, and obviously customer don't want to spend that type of money on this vehicle. So this is the bottom, this is the top, and it's a two-tone seat covers, headrest, and they should be easy to put them on. But like I said, these ones, they don't have the hole for the armrest. They do have this for the airbags, in case your vehicle has airbags on the seat. But other than that, I don't want to make the little hole in it, but we're gonna have to. For the armrest, little pocket on the rear, and two-tone looks really good, feels really good. These ones too, probably they're gonna look good. I don't know if they're gonna fit though. I think they will. So let me start with the top, and then we move to the bottom, which is gonna be easy. I'm gonna start with the passenger side. First we gotta remove this, the headrest. Let me start with this one. For this RX, I think these ones, they're gonna fit okay. They're gonna be okay. Yeah, they're not bad. This one goes inside, you close it, and there you have it. And pretty much is the same size of this headrest. Now let's move to the top. Okay, for the top, I'm gonna remove this cover so I can remove the armrest. But other than that, I think that's how it's gonna look. It's gonna look really good. Hopefully we don't mess up where the hole is gonna be for the armrest. Remove this cover, and inside it has like a 14 probably. Okay, cover is in place, really easy to put on. The clearance on top is good. We might have to push it a little bit this way for the headrest. In here, very good. It's gonna be really good for the lower back. And look at this, we definitely need to replace this or look for covers on those. So now the only thing I have to do, see where the hole is and cut right there. And for the bottom, because these ones, they have these little straps, I'm gonna put them down and put it together with the part on the rear, and do the same for the bottom. This bottom, put them on, and it has these little straps, those two. I'm gonna look to see if it has some hooks, probably, and they should have hooks. Yeah, right here. So get these ones and put them on it so you can strap everything. And these two, I think they get strapped to the springs on the bottom of the seat. These ones, they get together, and same thing for this. I gotta use this to strap this one on. I have the bottom pretty much all the way in. I have to bring this down, and with my plastic clips strap it under. If you can see, I have these hooks. I have to go all the way and strap it down there, and probably it's gonna be here on this plastic. Okay guys, for this model you have the clip in here. Put it under this, between the seat and plastic cover, and go on the back. And the one on top, you gotta put that one through here, and then just clip them together on the bottom. Same thing with the other two. And this one just clip on one of the metals on the bottom of the seat, and installation should be done. I gotta make the hole for the side and put the armrest, and repeat the process on that one. For this armrest, you're gonna need to cut a bigger hole because it has this cutout, and that helps the armrest to stop. If you don't cut that, the armrest is gonna go all the way. Okay, I already cut a hole this big, so the armrest is stop right there. Installation is done on both sides. Like I said, it's hard to show you, but these ones are the clips on the front. From here, I put the clips on the other one. These ones, I put the metal clip. It clips on the bottom of the seat, on the metal rail, and one in the middle. And the strap in the middle, I put this one so it stays touching the back of the seat, so it doesn't come off. It's for this one. Simple installation, but you have it. Link in the description for these seat covers. Now this Lexus looks a lot better. The only thing that we need to do, get new armrest, and everything else should be covered. Okay guys, installation done. As you can see, it looks a lot better. Link in the description for these seat covers. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.